Once upon a time, in the magical land of Eldoria, where flowers sang and rivers sparkled, there was a cheerful fairy named Bella. Bella was known for her bright wings and beautiful smile. She could fly higher and faster than any other fairy, leaving a trail of light wherever she went. Everyone admired her colorful wings and her amazing ability to soar through the skies. However, Bella didn't appreciate her gift as much as she should. She often flew around just for fun, ignoring the world below. She never stopped to notice the creatures in the forest or the beauty around her. She was always in a rush, looking for the next adventure. One day, while Bella was flying through the forest, she spotted a little bird on the ground. The bird was flapping its tiny wings, trying its best to fly, but it couldn't lift off. Bella glanced at it for a moment and thought, "I have my own adventures to enjoy," and zoomed past, leaving the little bird struggling alone. Days passed, and Bella continued to soar high above the trees. But soon, she started feeling an emptiness in her heart. She wasn't happy as before, even though she could fly anywhere she wanted. No matter how high or fast she flew, she felt lonely and restless. One evening, while resting on a soft cloud, Bella overheard two wise owls talking. "Have you noticed how quiet the forest has become?" asked one owl. "The animals don't sing or play like they used to. They seem sad, like something is missing." The other owl nodded and replied, "Yes, it feels as though they feel unseen and unappreciated." Bella's heart sank as she listened. She realized that in rush for fun, she had ignored the creatures around her who needed kindness and care. She remembered the little bird she had flown past without helping. Bella thought, "Maybe my wings aren't just for me to enjoy. Maybe I should use them to help others too." The next morning, Bella went to find the little bird. She gently landed near its nest and smiled. "I'm here to help you," she said kindly. Together, they practiced flying. Bella cheered the little bird on and encouraging it to believe in itself. After many tries, the little bird finally took off, fluttering happily into the sky. Bella felt a warmth in her heart, a joy she had never felt before. After that day, Bella started helping other creatures in the forest. She guided lost fireflies back to their homes, helped a family of rabbits find food, and even carried a tiny turtle across a big river. With each act of kindness, Bella felt happier and more at peace. She realized that true joy comes from sharing your gifts and helping those in need. As Bella spread kindness, the forest began to come alive again. Birds chirped happily, animals played together, and the forest was filled with laughter and song. Bella now understood that her gift of flight wasn't just for her own happiness. It was meant to bring joy to others too. One evening, Bella flew high above the forest and looked down at the lively, happy animals below. She smiled, knowing that gratitude isn't just for appreciating what you have, but also using it to make others smile. Bella had found the true meaning of gratitude in the beauty of giving and sharing. Moral of the story: true happiness comes from sharing your gifts with others and appreciating the world around you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos.